Oh my goodness, guys. Project Prowler. Hoagie Senior's back here today. It's a gorgeous day. Look at the sun shining. It's not even that hot, and I got so excited. We've already started insulating. Yeah, we were just giving her. We got our paneling. The first ceiling piece already cut. We went to the hardware store and got some paneling here. It's called
Lumberyard.
Yeah, Lumberyard. It's called Snowflake. There you go. It looks like special ceiling stuff. It's awesome. So yeah, it's getting real. Oh baby, we got the first ceiling panel up. You can tell it's a little different than the factory, but this is you know, this is the master ensuite, so we gotta have something special. So she looks pretty good to me. She's good enough for the girls in Fisherville. Well guys, that concludes this episode of Project Prowler for tonight. Yeah, we got the ceiling all done in the front and the one wall here. So next episode we'll finish off the other wall in the closet.